Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English of School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss one theorem and some examples of exercise 10C. Theorem is intercept theorem and some examples related to intercept theorem. Chapter Quadrilaterals, class 9 from the mathematics books R.S. Agrawal. So let's start for students. My theorem is intercept theorem, theorem number 3rd. If there are three parallel lines and the intercepts made by them on one transversal are equal, then the intercepts on any other transversal are also equal. Students, in this diagram, L, M and N are the three parallel lines. L, M and N. Okay? This line is L, M and N are the three parallel lines. And the intercepts made by them on one transversal are equal. So students, three parallel lines L, M and N cut by a transversal P. Cut by a transversal P. Okay? At point A, L लाइन को A पॉइंट पे, B और N लाइन को C पॉइंट पे. यानी कि three parallel lines L, M and N are cut by a transversal P. Cut by a transversal P at A, point A, B and C. Okay? Respectively. Such that इस प्रकार कट करता है किसके द्वारा जो इंटरसेप्ट मेड हो रहा है ए बी इक्वल टू बी सी. ओके, सच दैट कि ए बी इक्वल टू बी सी एंड ऑल्सो क्यू इज द अनदर ट्रांसवर्सल. ओके, कटिंग एल एम एंड एन आर द पॉइंट्स एट द पॉइंट्स पी क्यू एंड आर. ओके, then respectively then prove that ki PQ equal to QR. Then prove that ki PQ equal to QR. Okay, students, constructions. Join AR, join AR. AR को हमने क्या किया? ज्वाइन किया. ठीक है ना? Let कि AR intersect M at the point K. Intersect M at the point K. Okay, so let's start for students. Prove चूंकि गिवन की ए बी इक्वल टू बी सी. ओके, ए बी इक्वल टू बी सी, देन बी इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए सी इन ट्रायंगल ए सी आर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इन ट्रायंगल ए सी आर स्टूडेंट्स, ए सी आर इस ट्रायंगल में हम चलेंगे. ठीक है, B is the midpoint of AC. B is the midpoint of AC. B क्या है? AC का midpoint है. B is the midpoint of side AC of triangle ACR. Okay, and BK is parallel to CR and BK is parallel to CR. ओके, चूंकि M इज पैरेलल टू N, M इज पैरेलल टू N, M और N ये दोनों लाइंस क्या है? एक दूसरे के पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. देन बी से दैट कि BK इज पैरेलल टू CR. ओके, एंड B इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AC. B इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AC बिकॉज कि गिवन की AB इक्वल टू BC. AB equal to BC, that is we say that B is the midpoint of AC. Okay, then चूंकि in triangle ACR B is the midpoint of AC and BK is parallel to CR, then we say that कि K is the midpoint of AR. So K is the midpoint of AR by converse of midpoint. converse of midpoint theorem. Okay, now students, in triangle RPA, now in triangle RPA, students, K is the midpoint AR, K is the midpoint of AR and KQ is parallel to AP. QK is parallel to PA, क्योंकि L is parallel to M. Okay, L is parallel to M, that is QK is parallel to PA. For student, in triangle RPA, K is the midpoint of AR. अभी अभी हम लोग प्रूव किए हैं बाई कन्वर्स ऑफ मिडपॉइंट थ्योरम से इन ट्रायंगल APR में. तो इन ट्रायंगल RPA में कि K is the midpoint of AR and QK is parallel to AP. QK is parallel to AP या PA. Okay, then we say that कि Q is the midpoint of PR. Q is the midpoint of RP by converse of midpoint theorem. Okay, for students, hence we say that कि Q is the midpoint of PR. So hence we say that कि PQ equal to QR. PQ equal to QR. Okay, students, my first examples related to intercept theorems. Okay, so my first example number first कि in the adjoining figure, if adjoining figure में 2 points A and B are 2 points lie on the same side of a line XY. XY के एक ही साइड में लाई कर रहा है पॉइंट A और पॉइंट B. Okay, if AD is perpendicular to XY, if AD is perpendicular to XY and BE is perpendicular to XY, AD is perpendicular to XY and BE is perpendicular to XY and C is the midpoint of AB. C is the midpoint of AB. AB के midpoint पे it means AC equal to BC. Okay, C is the midpoint of AB. Prove that कि CD equal to CE. Prove कर रहा है कि ये CD equal to CE. Okay, so let's start for students. Solution. First of all, draw CM. Draw CM is perpendicular to XY. Draw CM is perpendicular to XY. Okay, for students, here की AD is perpendicular to XY, CM is perpendicular to XY and BE is perpendicular to XY. BE is perpendicular to XY. So this implies we say that कि AD is parallel to CM is parallel to BE. AD is parallel to CM is parallel to BE. Okay, because कि AD, CM and BE all are perpendicular to the same line XY. Okay, and AD, CM and BE are the three parallel lines cut by a transversal ACB. Now AD, CM and BE are three parallel lines cut by a transversal ACB at point A, C and B. Okay, such that कि AC equal to BC, AC equal to BC. Okay, and AD CM AD is parallel to CM is parallel to BE, cut by another transversal XY at point D, M and E respectively. Okay, then DM equal to ME, DM equal to ME by intercept theorem, by intercept theorem. ओके, थ्री लाइंस को एक ट्रांसवर्सल कट कर रहा था, तो इस प्रकार AC by BC दिस आर गिवन बिकॉज कि C इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AB, C इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AB आर गिवन. ओके, इन दिस क्वेश्चन कि C इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AB देन AC इक्वल टू BC, और अनदर ट्रांसवर्सल जब इसे कट करेगा तो DM इक्वल टू ME बाय द इंटरसेप्ट थ्योरम से. ओके, फॉर स्टूडेंट्स नाउ DM इक्वल टू ME. So DM equal to ME. In triangle CDM and triangle CME. So DM equal to ME, DM equal to ME. Okay, अभी प्रूव किया DM equal to ME. And CM equal to CM is common. Okay, and angle CMD equal to angle CME equal to 90 degree. Then triangle CDM is congruent to triangle CME by the criteria side angle side. Then we write कि CM CD equal to CE, CD equal to CE. Okay, proved by CPCD. Okay, prove that कि CD equal to CE, that is CD equal to CE. Okay, next question is question number 4. He proved that any line segment drawn from the vertex of a triangle, any line segment drawn from the vertex of a triangle to the base is bisected by the line segment joining the midpoints of the other sides of a triangle. For students, triangle ABC. Okay, E and F are the midpoints of AB and AC. Okay, E and F are the midpoints of the AB and AC respectively. A line AL is drawn from the vertex A to the base at the point L and bisect the joining the midpoints of EF at M. Okay, so draw to prove that AM equal to ML, AM equal to ML. So students, draw PAQ. Let's start solution. Draw PAQ is parallel to BC. PAQ is parallel to BC through the point A. Through the point A. Okay. So students, चूंकि E and F are the midpoints of triangle, in triangle ABC, E and F are the midpoint of side AB and AC respectively. Okay, then we say that EF is parallel to BC. So by the midpoint theorem, EF is parallel to BC. Joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. So EF is parallel to BC by midpoint theorem. By midpoint theorem. Okay, students. So PAQ is parallel to BC and BC is parallel to EF. Then all three lines are parallel. So PAQ is parallel to EF is parallel to BC. Okay, cut by a transversal. Cut by a transversal AB. Cut by a transversal AB. Cut by a transversal AEB at the point A, E and B respectively. Okay, then AE equal to EB, because E is the midpoint of AB. Okay, and PAQ is parallel to EF is parallel to BC, cut by another transversal AML at A, M and L. Okay, respectively. Then we say that AM equal to ML. AM equal to ML by intercept theorem. Intercept theorem. Now students, PAQ, EF and BC are three parallel lines cut by a transversal AB such that AE equal to EB are given because E is the midpoint of side AB, and another transversal AL cut by all three lines the point A, M and L. Then made by intercept made by this line AM equal to ML by the intercept theorem. Okay.